can't sleep in peace. Me I know some people do it. Yo, I see a cat. Yesterday, I wake up with not even a dollar in my pocket.
Hey guys, so as you know, as I said, I was gonna make a YouTube channel or whatever, but basically I'll be telling you guys a little bit about me, to kind of get the gist of how this is gonna feel. So, we don't do it now. But don't mind my hair. I'm getting it done tomorrow for my trip on Friday. Things is look crazy right now. So, I'm 19. I am a future CNA/midwife. I'll be getting my CNA license the end of June, early July. I have 2 jobs. I have my own car, of course. What else would you like to know? I don't know. Alright, so as you see, my hair's all crazy. It is a wash day. So, I have class at 2. So, I have to, do this really quick. It's already 11. I know this is going to take me, an hour and a half to do my hair, wash it, and all of that. But I am using a new shampoo. I am going to try this out today. And I'm using a new conditioner, something that, I don't really use in my hair because, it's natural and everything like that. But I'm using this conditioner to see where it goes. So, I know a lot of people tried the rice water, stuff like that. I tried it personally once. It worked. My hair did grow a lot. My hair got thicker and all of that. But right now, since I am natural, I need something to make my hair softer because I am not beat to be doing a whole bunch of, So, yeah. So, before I go in the shower, wash my hair and all of that, I just got my nose pierced. So, I gotta, clean it really good so that when I am washing my hair, I gotta make sure, no type of oil or chemicals are going into the nose piercing because, that could cause an infection. So, everything I'm trying to keep away from the nose piercing. So, while I wash it properly, you gotta wash it twice a day, So, while I wash it properly. So before I get into washing my nose piercing, I do have to wash my hands properly so that no type of chemicals are on my hands. Because I was combing out my hair and all of that, and my hair is very oily right now. So wash my hands very thorough. Gotta wait till the water gets a little bit warm. I don't usually wash my nose in cold water.
I did get this antibacterial soap to use for it. So basically, just pour a little bit in my palm, and I basically scrape it, take it out, whatever. And I start to apply the soap to the nose area. And they said to do it for about 60 seconds, so that, everything's cleansed and all that. But I do it for more than 60 seconds, so I know, everything's
So now that, I did it for about 60 seconds and all of that, now it's time to rinse and make sure all the soap and antibacterial soap is out of the piercing and cleansed in the proper way. Keep in mind, during the healing process, I can't put no makeup around my nose. I can't put any type of lotion in that area, and stuff like that. I have to keep everything away from the piercing until the piercing heals. Otherwise, I will run into some problems, obviously. Alright, so it's time for me to do something with this. Yikes, what is going on? Listen, my hair is natural. It's tough. Jesus Christ. Right now, not even enough more I'll comb it the backside. For those non-Jamaican people, I don't know if I want to comb it right now because it's natural, it's thick, and it's but I have to comb it out before I go in the shower. Unless, otherwise, I'm gonna get into some tangling after the wash, and I'm gonna be mad trying to untangle my hair and stuff like that. Don't mind my possessive cat. Look at her. She just I don't know what's up with her. But yeah, I do have 2 cats. But while the wash is going on, I will tell you a little bit more about myself so you could get to know me as an individual and, you know, stuff like that. So now that I do have my hair combed out, it's time to start this washing process. Like, you don't want the water too hot, too cold. You just want it right in the middle, you know? So that, like, your hair could, like, breathe and get that texturize it needs and stuff like that. I feel like when you wash your hair in like extremely hot water and you have natural hair, that's when the hair comes out really kinky and knotty. And I personally don't want that. I don't know about you guys, but it's like totally different.
Any wash will go on. You start by wetting your hair first. So like, wet it thoroughly all through. You can see that my hair is already like, yes, it's time for a wash. It's been ages. Just kidding. It's only been like about 2 weeks since I took out my braids. And I was kind of like waiting for everything to like, you know, settle down, you know, because I'm going away on vacation for spring break and stuff like that. So my hair does have a lot of oil and chemicals because I do use a lot of Cantu and a lot of curling products to get where my curls are like right now and stuff like that. But otherwise, yeah.
So while I do wash my hair, I like to listen to music. Any type of music, doesn't matter. It gets me in that mood of like, yes, it's time to like get this done. You see my hair shrinking and all of that. You see the curls coming in and kinking up and all of that. I don't usually put heat towards my hair, but I feel like today is the day because I have contact too. I'm going to have to use it. I usually let my hair air dry because I feel like it's better. It benefits my hair more. So when I do go to the beauty, they don't have to say, oh, you have to put in and cut off a whole bunch of hair. Because I hate that. So I am using my shampoo now. I'm just going to pour a little bit in the palm of my hand. Let's see how this works. I need more than this. But like, this is just a start to moisturize the hair a little bit. I usually just pour it in my hair. As you can see, my hair is fully shampooed and all of that. Like, maybe I can go shower now a little bit. So, I mean, you want to get to know me. It's really hard to know people without me. I am always at work, so like, it's not like I do a lot of stuff outside. School to work, I either sleep or I'm like out something. Just to get my mind off of all this drama and the schoolwork and stuff like that. Everything is just, you know, now they're coming down with things being told for coronavirus. So babies, like my hair is actually washed out, rinsed from the shampoo. You can see that my curls are like getting to that point where it's getting kinky, and it's time to apply the conditioner. So the washing process is done. As you can see, I do have my hair wrapped up. While I did that, I was getting changed and dressed and stuff because I do have class. But let's start getting this messy thing out of pocket. You see how it got very kinky and it's just not it. So I'm gonna use my detangler. Just basically spray it everywhere and all of that, so I can detangle my hair properly. I do have a detangler brush. So I do have it mostly detangled out. As you can see, my hair is starting to stretch and all of that. No. But like I was saying, I was gonna tell you a little. So I did do my hair. I just did like a little basic bun since I am getting my hair done tomorrow. I didn't put any type of gel in it. I just use oil. I use this oil. One thing I did forget to put in my hair is the castor oil that I usually put in my hair after I detangle and I do all of my curling products and stuff. I didn't really blow dry it out to the fullest. I just blow dried it out to the point where it was enough to put it up in a bun. Because, you know, with my hair being kinky and everything like that, it's just hard and, you know. But that's it for today's little vlog or little whatever you want to call it. So I will see y'all later. You're good with it? Bye.